We like to work out the day of, like hours before the fight. I always feel like because of the cutting weight and resting and everything is it takes a toll on you, and all you're doing is just sitting around. So it kind of sucks to have your first workout to be the fight. We're going to get this first workout out of the way so you start breathing a little bit, you can feel it. Plus, he's hydrated, he's got calories, and to feel the difference of that is not the same as what he felt midway through the camp, right? Where it's just like, I can't move, this is really hard, like whatever. This is easy now.
Just want to get some of my oxygen, my lungs open, just keep doing the stuff that we've been working on throughout this camp, and just making sure they're sharp, crisp, and powerful with speed and efficiency. And that's my game, and that's how it's going to happen. Just going to be live on UFC Fight Pass. Make sure y'all check it out, because it's going to be a show, baby. I promise you that. Here comes trouble.
Nah, we don't fight, we go to war. So when you step inside this ring, be ready for war.